When see in India we have milk produced, and now they call it as a A2 milk, A1 milk. In milk also they made it a different categories, and they introduced this the particular type of species which can they produce a lot of milk, and then they blame it on the other issues. They pumped with a lot of hormones, and they produce a lot of milk, and now they are blaming on that milk. It is going to cause a lot of issues in the humans when you consume. See, that's the reason. Strict very deeply and very genuinely with the system, what God's nature has been given. Don't go into hybridization. You just go on giving hybrid, you're making your own combinations. That combination many a times backfires. So that's the reason it's happening here. Same milk, if it is consumed in India, it is not causing any problem. But the milk consumed in America may be giving allergic reactions. What is the reason? We need to understand the source of milk, how it is contaminated, how it is made into a different set of it is. It cannot be taken as a milk. That's the reason. Everything has been, even egg. Animals will be fed with a lot of antibiotics and hormones and such some things. And even the when there is a lamb producing bulkiness of the particular muscle, they will be given some sort of chemicals. All these chemical pumping and pumping just for sake of business mentality, they have spoiled the total health of the humans. And now then entire total situation has been created in such a manner, then lot of more and hospitals will come, and more treatment modalities will come, more technologies will come, and new diseases will be named, and new understanding will be brought into. So there is a lot of issues connected with that. If you go back to the mother nature, just follow the disciplines and the explanations given in Ayurveda, a lot of things can be settled down. We can subtly, we can make it very right. And of course, little bit variations will be there. That variations do come with the passage of time. Those which have been preached 2000, 3000 years ago may not be holds good, little bit there, and there some modifications are required. But that modification has to be done based on the criteria which is laid down by our acharyas earlier. On the same criteria we need to incorporate and make a modifications or alterations. So that's the reason we need to understand Ayurveda deeply and their principles. Then accordingly we need to incorporate those theories into practice.
And Kalpanaji has written a very interesting point that many people who complain of are not okay with milk in US and in Western countries, when they come to India, they find milk very good.